Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Starbird Chicken, food ordering and rewards, app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Starbird Chicken is a fast food restaurant app designed to make ordering, pickup, and rewards management simple and convenient. Available on both iOS and Android, the app allows users to browse the full Starbird menu, customize their meals, and place orders for pickup, delivery, or dine-in. It's part of the growing trend of restaurant-specific apps that combine mobile ordering with loyalty programs for frequent customers. The app's main feature is its order and rewards integration. Users can order ahead, skip the line, and earn points for every purchase. Points can then be redeemed for free food or exclusive offers. The app also saves past orders, supports digital payments, and provides personalized recommendations based on user preferences. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate its clean interface, quick checkout process, and consistent reward system. The app's convenience for ordering favorite meals in advance and earning points makes it popular among regular Starbird customers. It also sends timely notifications for promotions and discounts, helping users save money on future orders. However, there are some drawbacks. Some users have reported occasional glitches during checkout or slow location loading in certain areas. Others mention that delivery options can be limited depending on the region. Still, the overall experience remains positive for most users who visit Starbird frequently. In summary, the Starbird Chicken app may be worth using if you're a regular Starbird customer who enjoys earning rewards, skipping lines, and accessing exclusive deals directly from your phone. However, if you're not located near a Starbird restaurant or prefer third-party delivery services, its usefulness might be limited. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.